So the next topic is condensation. As we already learned about the evaporation, the next topic we will learn about the condensation. What is condensation? The change of water vapor into water on cooling. When you have learned about the evaporation, that water turns into the water vapor due to heating. Now when these water vapor go on up, and there what happens, it condense, it become cool, and on cooling water vapor again turns into the water, and that very process is known as condensation. The change of water vapor into water on cooling is called condensation. Due to the condensation, these things are formed. On the occurrence of the condensation, rain is formed, fog, dew, then frost, hail, snow. These are the things, these are the water forms which is formed because of condensation. We will discuss one by one all these things. Okay. So rain. As rain is when water vapor evaporates, when water vapor heats and turns into water vapor, its vapor rise. What happened? The vapor rise and go up. The vapor cools and changes into the droplets of water, and these vapors cool and changes into the droplets of water, and these droplets collect together to form cloud, and when the cloud become heavier, it burst and fall as in the form of rain. Okay. So this is a process of formation of raindrops. Next, fog. This is formed when vapor mixes with very cold air and changes into the drop of water and forms a blanket of cloud. Nowadays you are seeing outside there is a foggy weather. Okay, you can say the foggy weather or a blanket of white type fog all over. Okay, you cannot see, you cannot visible very clearly. That is fog. Okay, so this is formed. Fog is formed when the droplets of water come in contact of very cold air, and changes into the drop of water and form a blanket. It's covered the area with like a blanket of white sheet. So that is fog. Dew. What is dew? Dew is a tiny droplets of water you can see on the leaf or on the grasses in the morning. Winter's morning, when you will go out, you will find out that tiny droplets of water available everywhere on the ground, on the leaves of the plants. So that is dew. In winter, what happened? When vapor condense, on touching cold surface, small drops of water form. Small droplets, tiny droplets of water form on the grasses, on the leaves of the plant. You can find it. These are easily visible in the early morning, winter morning. Okay, these are known as dew. Next is frost. In cold, the dew changes into white tiny crystals. What happened? You can find the dew in a winter morning, but when it is extreme winter, okay, when it is very hard winter, what happened? These tiny crystals, this dew turns into a very tiny white crystals. Okay, that is known as frost. Next is hail. When raindrop pass through a very cold region of the atmosphere, they freeze and form it. When the droplets of water, when the raindrop come in contact with cold region, when they come in contact with very cold region of the atmosphere, they freeze. What happened? They freeze and they form hail. Okay. When the raindrop freeze, they will form hail. Now snow. Snow is very good. White snowy area, you would like to visit the snowfall. Okay. So just visit. It is a very, what happened when the raindrops, it's come in a contact of very extreme condition of cold. When these water droplets come in a very extreme condition of cold, what happened? They freeze. They freeze and form. Suddenly they come in the form of snow, white snow. So that is known as snow. When the water vapor is suddenly cooled, it freezes into the tiny white snowflakes. They turn into the snowflakes. They will look like a cottony ball of snow. So people used to go and visit the snow area, snowfall, Kashmir and the hill station to play with the snow. And also snow is very beautiful. It is white, cottony, fluffy type of snow you can find out. So how it formed? It formed by the water droplets. When water droplets come in contact with the very extreme cold, it turns into the snow and it suddenly cooled and it freezes and turn into the snow, beautiful snow. So these are the things, these are the products which are formed by the process of condensation. When water vapor cools into the water form, again water vapor cool into the form of water, the condensation takes place, and due to condensation rain, fog, dew, frost, hail and snow takes place. Okay, next topic is water cycle. Water cycle is a very important, initial, essential part of our nature, prevailing our nature. It is continuous process. Cycling means continuous process. Water is evaporating, it goes up, there what happened, it condense, it become cool, become water cloud, again it fall in the water bodies, again it evaporate, again goes up, again it cools, again drop, water drop come or rain drop come, again goes to the water body. This continuous process of cooling and evaporating of water is known as water cycle. So what is water cycle? The process of evaporation, the process of evaporation and condensation is a continuous process. Continuously evaporation takes place, water vapor rise, form cloud, then it rains, again come down, again the water flowed into the water bodies, again evaporation take place, again it rise up, again it form a cloud. So the water process, the process of evaporation and condensation is a continuous process prevailing in a nature, that is known as the water vapor. That is known as the water vapor. Continuous water vapor continuous evaporating, then condensation take place, then rainfall take place, again it come into the water bodies, again evaporation take place, again condensation take place. This complete is known as water cycle. This complete process is known as water cycle. Come, we will here discuss about the water cycle through a rough diagram. See, this is the water body. What happened? Due to the sun present, due to the sun rays, these water evaporate. These water evaporate and it will come, it will rise up. Where it will go? It will rise up. On rising up, it will collect in a it will become water droplets and collect in a form of cloud. Here condensation take place. At that time what will happen? The condensation will take place and again rain, there will be a rain. And when the raining, in the rainy season, after rain what will happen? These water will again flow towards the water bodies. These water will again flow towards the water body. Again evaporation will take place. Again the water droplets or water vapor will rise up. Then it will form the water. Then it will collect in a form of cloud. Again rain will take place. So this continuous process is known as water cycle. Hope you understand. Just go to the chapters and learn it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in a comment box. Okay. Till then, bye. Take care.